Congratulations on your new BMW 3 Series. This guide to features and operation will help you become more familiar with the many systems designed to make driving your 3 Series safe and enjoyable. This interactive CD-ROM is easy to use. Simply click on a section in the navigation bar at the top of the screen to view the menu for that section. Then click on a topic to see a short video.
If on a hot day you want to open the windows and moonroof before getting in, hold down the unlock button after unlocking the vehicle. In just a few seconds, the windows and moonroof will start to open. Continue to hold the button down.
You can also access the videos from the list next to the video window. To return to the photo menu, click on the section heading in the navigation bar. All videos are also accessible via the alphabetical index. At the bottom of the screen, there are links to the BMW of North America website and the Owner's Circle, where you may register as a new BMW owner. There is also a link to the BMW online catalog of fabulous BMW lifestyle merchandise. If you would like to contact your BMW Center, please click on BMW Center. An internet connection is required to access these features. If your vehicle has a BMW onboard navigation system, use the Navigation System section of this CD to learn more about the system, as well as the many functions to which it is fully linked, including the audio system, onboard computer, and optional cellular telephone.
To begin, please click on a section in the navigation bar at the top of the screen.
If your vehicle has a built-in BMW universal transceiver, you may use the transceiver to conveniently replace up to 3 handheld transmitters for garage doors and gates. To program the transceiver, turn the ignition key to position 2. To clear the BMW universal transceiver, press and hold both outside buttons. When the indicator light flashes, release the buttons. Hold the handheld transmitter no more than 2 inches away from the BMW universal transceiver. Simultaneously, press the button on the handheld transmitter and the desired button on the BMW universal transceiver. When the indicator light flashes rapidly, release the buttons.
The designers of your BMW were inspired by the 3 Series' illustrious heritage. They met new design challenges while building on the 3 Series' character and strengths.
Well, our first concern, of course, is BMW is a driving car. So we want to keep this ergonomic flow, this sense of everything within its reach. You're active, you're proactive. I drive this car, I'm alive, I'm awake. I use it. It's right there where I need it, but I'm in command.
The interior is a stunning work of art, and every aspect enhances your comfort, control, and driving pleasure.
Well, one thing we really like about this interior is now we can really truly say all across the BMW range, all our cars have the same type of design quality level. The whole sense of the appointments of the car, how the leather is handled, how the instrument panel is handled, the wood options, etc., are at the same quality level as in a 5 or a 7 Series.
If your vehicle has a STEPTRONIC transmission, you have a choice of 3 driving modes: adaptive automatic, sport, or clutchless manual. Select D for adaptive transmission control, and this advanced system will electronically sense your driving style and driving situation and respond with either sporty upshifting or more conservative upshifting. Move the lever to the MS area of the shift gate to select the Sport program, which shifts at higher RPMs and will only shift up as far as 4th gear. As soon as you move the lever in the plus or minus direction, you engage manual mode. Move the selector forward to shift up through all 5 gears. Move it back to shift down. Many of the systems in your vehicle check themselves automatically. This is why, when you start your car, several warning lights in the instrument cluster display come on briefly and then go out. If any of these lights stay on or come on while you are driving, please stop immediately and check your owner's manual. And be sure to consult your BMW service department.
Your BMW Center has a wide variety of original BMW brand accessories and lifestyle items. Car covers, wheels, shirts, jackets, gloves, watches, golf balls, and much, much more. So contact your BMW Center for more information and display your enthusiasm for your fabulous new 3 Series.